Hello, I'm Daniel with Living Water Aeration, and today I want to show you our Airpro pond aeration system for ponds up to 1 acre. And on our website, this is actually item number PA34W. Now this system here does not include the cabinet. We do have a deluxe version available that has the same components, but it also includes a cabinet, and that's item number PA34D on our website. So just to show you, comes in this system, you have a single head diffuser with a self-sinking metallic base. You have a 1/4 horsepower rocking piston compressor, and also it includes 100 foot of weighted airline. And this airline is 3/8 inch, which is good for this system. Now, just to explain to you quickly how this works, the diffuser will be lowered in to the bottom of the pond, and what's going to happen is this airline here is going to be connected to a barb fitting on the diffuser, and the other end is going to be connected to this compressor. And what happens is, as this diffuser sits on the bottom of the pond, the compressor sends air through the airline to the diffuser, and then you have a plume of bubbles rising to the surface. So basically all the stagnant water at the bottom of the pond gets pushed up into the water column and eventually to the surface of the water, and it keeps recirculating. And that's just a basic understanding of how this system works. For ponds that are 5 foot or deeper, this is going to be not only the most effective way to aerate the pond, but it can also be the most cost effective and efficient for you. This is amongst our most popular aeration systems, and for most ponds under 1 acre, this is the best way to go. Our pond aeration systems are fairly easy to install. The systems that come with a cabinet also feature a receptacle outlet to where you can easily plug in your compressor and cooling fan right inside of the cabinet. Each aeration system has a valve manifold with short pieces of tubing that can easily be pulled out of the cabinet through the prefabricated knockout holes. The other end of the tubing will connect using a barb fitting to the rolls of tubing that come with the system. They have a stainless steel hose clamp that you can easily tighten with a wrench or socket set. To make it easier to install, you may want to stretch out the rolls of tubing over land before going into the water. The other end of the tubing will connect to the diffuser, and again, you'll utilize a stainless steel hose clamps to tighten the tubing onto the barb fitting. If you think you'll ever need to retrieve your diffuser, you may want to tie a rope to one end of the diffuser and tie the other end to a duck decoy or milk jug or something that floats in case you would ever want to retrieve it and pull it out of the water. It's easy to put the diffuser in the pond, simply lower it into the bottom of the pond. There's almost no wrong way to do this, as we've tested it many times, and the diffuser always lands on the metallic base first with the diffusers facing up. Now once you have the diffuser lowered to the bottom of the pond, you're ready to turn on your compressor. Then you will see bubbles coming to the surface of the water as shown, and that's how you know you're on your way to a healthy pond.